having a little bit of a show here. Either a show or a little bit of a showdown. I don't know what's going on here. It's Sunday night, March 13th. I called my dad and I wished him happy birthday earlier today. And he's 74 years old today. Happy birthday, Dad. Anyways, these guys here are 2.5 weeks old. And they're starting to play around with each other. We have Miss Orange, Mr. White, and Mr. Brown. Yeah. I thought this would be a little bit interesting to watch, so that's why I'm putting up this video so that you guys can watch and see what our favorite puppies of the month are doing. We have Akalia, keeps coming in and out because she's like so anxious to just play with these puppies. Bella isn't really liking it, but she's okay with it because I'm here. The other puppies are eating over here. What's going on, Mama? Hey, Bella. What's going on? What you doing, Mama? And there's Violet. Violet girl is a beautiful girl. They're all trying to get in and be close to Mama. Well, these guys are over here horsing around. Or puppying around. What you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? Pretty soon you'll be able to... Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we got a voice. We're establishing dominance at 2.5 weeks old. Right? Isn't that right? We're establishing dominance when you're 2.5 weeks old. What are you, 18 days old now today? It's your 18th birthday today, huh? Look at Mr. White. Mr. White is a gorgeous, beautiful, dark black with those rust accents. Oh, he just wants his brother. He just wants his brother so he can lay down on him. It's so funny how these guys just constantly depending on each other for warmth, and I wonder if they feel affection towards one another. Huh? He's grabbing his ear. Hey, you don't even have any teeth. You grabbing his ear? Oh, you're licking him. You're kissing your sister. You're kissing your sister. Yeah. What? Akalia, you want to play with them? You can't get there. That's the whelping box. It's a whelping box because it's for the puppies. Yes. And there the puppies. There they are. I just love watching these guys. You can never stop watching them. It's so amazing to just watch nature take its course. How beautiful it is. Yeah. Hold on, I didn't make a pile big enough. I want to be on top of everybody. And if I can, be somewhere in between somehow. Okay, Akalia, are you licking my ear? Yeah? She's trying to win some time with them. She's trying to ask for permission. Daddy, can I go play with the puppies? Daddy, I just want to play with the puppies. They're so cute, and I just want to lick them. I just want to lick them because they're so cute, Daddy, and I just want to play with them. Isn't that right, Akalia? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Bella is nervous. She just doesn't really like her being here. Okay, Akalia, you have to go outside. Akalia, go outside. Go. Go outside, Akalia. Go outside. Outside. Go outside. Go outside, Akalia. Outside. Akalia. Akalia, go outside. Go. Outside. Good girl. There you go. And these guys are over here falling asleep on. Go back outside. There they are, falling asleep on each other. Yeah. Nice and peaceful. Nice and peaceful. Oh, just time to put your head down there. Yes, that's just time to put your head down. Time to take a nap. Time to go to sleep. Okay, and what we got over here? What have we got over here? Another pile of puppies that Mama put to bed. Mama, did you put them to bed? You were a good mama. Akalia, go outside. Hey, go outside. Good girl. She keeps coming over here, invading your space, huh? Wow. Okay, is that what you say, Miss Pink? Is that what you say, Miss Pink? Wow. Wow. Yep, so these guys are already barking now. You got a healthy bark, don't you? Back to Mama. Mama will care for you. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed our video from Sunday, March 13th, when the puppies are 18 days old. Zeus and Bella's February 23rd, 2022 Doberman Pinscher puppy litter. And if you like it, all the content and everything that we put up, just subscribe, hit a like button. We appreciate you visiting. And don't forget to visit our Facebook page also. Suchu Farms. Have a good night.